Machita, welcome back to the channel bafethu. Igama lami ndinguseko. This is Football SA bafethu. Vandag transfer news. I miss ndiyazikhumbula bafethu i-feature analysis post bafethu, but say transfer news ziyashayela bafethu every day ngoJuly ngoku. Kule video fully packed top stories for namhlanje to Peter Shalulile, Khanyisa Mayo, Pitso Mosimane, Lucas Ribeiro, Siyanda Ndlovu, Relebohile Mofokeng. Zinews zonke kule video namhlanje bafethu. Eyokuqala bafethu maniphume istory siqale saphuma I think late last night. Siyanda Ndlovu, transfer drama U10. I-Golden Arrows attacking midfielder / winger. Kudala ndithetha ngayo apha kule channel bafethu. Kuthiwa uNdlovu beseyenzile i-medical test Orlando Pirates, but uNdlovu bafethu warefusa usign i-contract. Inumbers azibonile i-contract ibengekho happy ngazo bafethu. Ithi i-report from one of i-journalists esizithembileyo apha ku-Football SA ezi-verified. Number 1 in the country, Lawrence Kohler. I-Diski Times has established that Siyanda Ndlovu's proposed move to Orlando Pirates has hit a snag, with Mamelodi Sundowns looking to pounce. As previously reported by this website, a club-to-club agreement had been reached between Golden Arrows and the Buccaneers, who appeared to have beaten Sundowns to the player's signature. Ndlovu completed his medical at Mayfair on Thursday last week. However, when the two parties discussed personal terms, the player did not agree to the package tabled by Ezimnyama Ngenkani. I-personal terms bafethu obviously siyazi uba kuthethwa ngesalary plus neminyaka ye-contract. Kuthiwa uNdlovu uthe ahanzi usayina. Masandawana meanwhile have approached Golden Arrows as they look to secure the signature of the 23-year-old. Of course, uNdlovu bafethu was one of the best attacking players Betwe Premiership last season. I think it was a leaderboard Betwe Premiership yonke with key passes. I think uMofokeng plus no Apollo Car abebene key passes more than yena uNdlovu. Inenge ngoku later on kwanamhlanje ndabona enye i-post bafethu enye out insider ye-Pirates ne-Chiefs. He's not a journalist but insider entswempu respected. If yamazi Innocent Mkhize, ibhoza insider leyo bafethu. Innocent Mkhize uyahleba ke ngoku wathi bayithe bafethu divavama him 12k uNdlovu bafethu kuthiwa Orlando Pirates iya-offeresha imali ethile kathiwa hey Ndlovu ungangxami ngosayina. And then Sundowns kuthiwa ya-offeresha i-triple salary yale amount Orlando Pirates ibiyibekile for uNdlovu bafethu. Wow. But kusekhona i-arguments ezithi suka Orlando Pirates izamthola uNdlovu. Khona abantu abayithembileyo i-Pirates. Nami ineway bafethu i-Pirates ayigqithisi ngamandla nje Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates ingaphinde ijike izinto ngongoku. But Sundowns ngayiwina le transfer race bafethu. Iyafana ngathi ayi-hijacka i-deal. Wow. And the second top story bafethu vandag is Kaizer Chiefs have signed Khanyisa Mayo on a permanent deal bafethu. If yakhumbula Umayo wafika Kaizer Chiefs on a loan until the end of the season from CR Belouizdad, i-Giants ase-Algeria bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs and ithiwa ibhatale imali, ithiwa ibhatale around 9.8 million bafethu for uba Umayo mayimgcine permanently. Lo reporting ngathi yothusa bafethu okay jonga 9.8 but kuse journalist verified lena bafethu. Okay, top 3 top 5 na South Africa as a journalist. Ki-Diski Times if yamazi uSinethemba Makhonkco, one of the leading journals in the country bafethu. You can't question the story. Is a proven trusted journalist. Iti report kaSinethemba, Kaizer Chiefs have secured the signing of Khanyisa Mayo permanently, according to reports Algeria. Latest information coming from Algeria stated that Chiefs have signed Mayo permanently from CR Belouizdad after he spent last season on loan at Naturena. According to information received, Amakosi forked out a transfer fee close to 2 figures to secure Mayo on a permanent deal. Now fit a good decision fit from Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs bafethu is babenchilo in a video I did I think last month bafethu ndathi base Kaizer Chiefs ngakulingenza a mistake iyeke Umayo bafethu. Just because bafethu Kaizer Chiefs being a top coach doesn't mean say Umayo is not a top player bafethu. If you know bafethu. Yazi ibibhlungu iwe xa ngibona ku social media i-fans says disrespecta uKhanyisa Mayo bafethu, a top player bafethu. A former top goal scorer Betwe Premiership, abafana international, ekuse odlala i-Algerian Giants CR Belouizdad, uscora i-goals i-Algerian League, uscora i-goals for CR Belouizdad, i-CAF Champions League, and then suddenly uyinkomo, useless, akho good. Hayi bafethu. Yazi bafethu, i-bad coaching bafethu can have a serious effect on the top players bafethu. So Kaizer Chiefs knew better bafethu, and this is a good decision from Kaizer Chiefs. Kakade bafethu zeki flops zika Kaizer Motaung Jr. as a sporting director, but Kaizer Motaung Jr. bafethu enye into imncedayo Kaizer Motaung iyayazi ibhola le out edlala ibhola bafethu Kaizer Motaung Jr. both in Europe and locally. And zingaphi sporting directors bafethu sokudlala ibhola, so Kaizer bafethu sometimes ukwenza decisions grand because uyayazi ibhola. Good decision Mayo staying in Kaizer Chiefs. Second top story bafethu from any journalist grand apha eMzantsi bafethu sithembileyo, again Lawrence Koller ne Lucas Ribeiro, Sundowns yambiza back amajita. Wow, yo bafethu, PSL be worried, PSL defenders zishubile bafethu, Orlando Pirates nayo mabene worry yamazi Lucas bafethu. Lawrence Koller, Mamelodi Sundowns are said to be exploring the possibility of a sensational reunion with Lucas Ribeiro Costa, who is officially a free agent after his short-term deal with Spanish Segunda Division side Cultural Deportiva Leonesa expired at the end of June. Leonesa confirmed Ribeiro as of one of 14 players leaving the club following their relegation to the Spanish third tier, thanking him for his professionalism and dedication during his time in Lyon. What else? Ipinyama apa kule report man. Okay, Nancy uti apa Lorenzo, with his contract now expired, Ribeiro has returned to Brazil, where he has kept busy organizing a community tournament in his hometown of Santa Helena. His next destination remains undecided, with Al Hilal Tripoli, la club coach Rhulani Mokoena, front runners. What? Where Al Hilal Tripoli, where he would be reunited with former Sundowns coach Rhulani Mokoena, previously reported as the front runners, alongside interest from Esperance, Tunisia, these new clubs as Egypt. Any Sundowns move would represent a striking turnaround given the acrimony of his 2025 departure, and would likely draw scrutiny given the still pending tribunal case between the two parties. So apa uLawrence bafethu uthi apa, I think le way izazincumisa ifans ePirates nezeChiefs bafethu twice Sundowns akuzuba easy for bamithole back uRibeiro, and kusekhona case isepending between Sundowns no Ribeiro. Sundowns no Ribeiro bafethu we amanzi bemdaka amajita. Sundowns mos yazama ubloga imove kaRibeiro, and then uRibeiro wahamba ngenkani phaka Sundowns wahamba mdaka bafethu. So ngoku kuthiwa bazozama indlela bamaba ayine izinto, but hey kuthiwa ingathi izoba easy le way, and ekuse uRhulani Mokoena ucoacha iAl Hilal Tripoli club enemali kakhulu, kuthiwa isezi favorites for my sign uLucas bafethu. So isistory sabe sisilandela bafethu. Then another top story bafethu from Sportwire, Robin Duke. Robin Duke is not one of our journalists esitrusted kakhulu apha, but reputation yakhe iyakhula kancane Robin Duke, because in the past experience I think kick off umjita. That's where I first knew him umjita, and then ngokuqala ipublication yakhe uSportswire. Robin Duke bafethu reporter about Pitso Mosimane, the great Pitso Mosimane, who lead the race to be the next Bafana coach after Hugo Broos. Additionally, kuthiwa uManqoba Mnqethi izoba assistant yakhe Bafana. Hey, le combination bafethu esisikhala engathi sigrand, and then kuthiwa noMkhelele still uzohlala naye apha as a part of the technical team ne-assistants bafethu. Hey, esisikhala engathi sigrand bafethu. Pitso Mosimane head coach, assistants Manqoba Mnqethi, Helmel Mkhelele, uPitso African experience yakhe, proven winner. Manqoba Mnqethi naye very experienced Africa, is a winner. Mkhelele very experienced with his success ka Hugo Broos. Jonga ingathi grand le combination bafethu, ingathi nizoyithanda nyanyani mna. Ithini kanye le report ka Robin Duke Madlala bafethu, uthi Robin Duke Madlala apha reporting Sportswire has been reliably informed that Pitso Mosimane is the #1 choice to succeed Broos, with plans to bring in Manqoba Mnqethi as his assistant coach. Interestingly, current assistant Helman Mkhelele might retain his position in the national setup, as he is represented by Mosimane's wife and prominent agent Moreyo Tlhagale. Mosimane, who led Mamelodi Sundowns to the CAF Champions League title, previously served as a Bafana coach between 2010 and 2012. And then following that, Getting McKenzie ke naye ke minister yethu onganqani uthethe iyabasela lo mlilo naye sports minister yathi bayekuse Pitso Mosimane is the best candidate, funeka benguye icoach, nguye funeka efumana isipani utsho Getting McKenzie bafethu imedia vandag ileyana ityhala ngesifuba leya. uyowatsho uGaten bajonga ayikho enye i-top coach apha eSouth Africa, even Africa, well suited and qualified for le post bafethu. So Gayton McKenzie is pushing for Pitso Mosimane, is putting pressure on Usafa. At the same time, Gayton McKenzie has huge influence bafethu kuSafa plus no Danny Jordan. Kusafa plus no Danny Jordan. He is the most powerful individual in South African sport bafethu. So bafethu, watch the space. Pitso Mosimane returning to the fold. Benike nava ne-rumors ezincane bafethu which iwesanda grand lena kuthiwa Hugo Bros. The reason why ngathola qazisa about uba okay Jongo uyaretirisha now or not. Kuthiwa Hugo Bros angaqhubekeka as i-scout sebafana bafana kii-players ezi-Europe. Niyazi bafethu bafana bafana kudala bana-problem osman ba okay zikhona i-players e-Europe but iphi imali nexesha lokuba uhamba zonke eza countries ubukela ezi players bafethu. Kuthiwa Hugo Bros angathatha lo role as i-scout sebafana bafana ye-players ezi-orkanti bafethu. I think ingaspana grand lo yemajita. Enye top story bafethu, Peter Shalulile, the PSL's greatest ever striker bafethu or breaker ye-record kaSiyabonga Mvethe last season. uShalulile Sundowns announced exit yakhe. It's the end of the road between uShalulile plus Mamelodi Sundowns. I think I think 2019 or 2020, 2021 season, Mamelodi Sundowns yamsigna from Highlands Park, double signing yena noMathobi Mvala. Shalulile ke manje Sundowns ithe bye bye kuye. He's gone. He's a top striker. He's a legend Sundowns. And like Betway Premiership bafethu, Premier Soccer League. What a striker bafethu. And West Ham does not even play football that much. Shalulile akwazi ukudlala football kakhulu bafethu. Shalulile qha iwork yasebenza yasiphangela engceni bafethu. Akayeka ubaleka, is a hard trainer. Kuthiwa lehlanya lo trainer ile kuthiwa ivuka ngo-4 leyana. Even nasekamereni ehotel uShalulile mbona wenza i-sit-ups ne-push-ups lehlanya le-gym eliya bafethu. As a result bafethu kuthiwa uShalulile bafethu nangona na 33 kuthiwa uShalulile uzodlala at least about 4 to 5 more seasons uShalulile because umzimba wakhe emnakekela is a hard trainer. So sabe sijongile bafethu, we're gonna follow ba out izoyapi ki next move yayo bafethu. I'll be following that story by Happy Club ezomsigna uPeter Shalulile bafethu. Then finally bafethu, president yama 2000 uRelebohile Mofokeng bafethu. I think wonke umuntu sibonile esi story namhlanje sidominate social media from ekuseni until nangoku bafethu. Aphandle ba uphansi kwebhedi bafethu, iRoyal St Giloa yase Belgium, iGiants zakhona, they have formally announced uRelebohile Mofokeng as a signing yabo entsha bafethu on a 4-year deal. Uyiphasile medical yakhe umtshana uzodlala eBelgium ngqondo number 38 wakhe. All the best to uRele bafethu. Amaxesha grand la South African football bafethu. I-players zethu ziyamuva lena le bafethu. And then another story that is developing bafethu Benchilo and Nothuki futhi bafethu. Ezon Apollos kuthiwa ingathi hey Apollos akabuyanga nebafana bafana kangabonakali kweza players iphume ePark la plane ifike eJohannesburg namhlanje ekuseni bafethu. So Apollos engathi rumors ziyavela ba okay Apollos ngathi ikhona iway evuthwayo ngathi izovuthwa nye izawuphekwa iqala uphekwa pha ngapha ya uthini umjita ngabuyanga uhleli phi use-Europe uhlanganisa i-deal sizawubona bafethu. Ndizawufolisha isa story in the next few days. Nazo safandaga bafethu ngicela ngalibala support channel bafethu ngo-like okanye ngo-subscribe. Ningalibali bafethu, ingalahleki isukile ngo-August bafethu. Ndizakwenza i-match previews ne-match reactions ezi-grand apha bafethu. Uqala ke season ngo-August iyotsho kuphela kwayo ngoMay bafethu.